Hello, thank you for joining me for this new and exciting tips tutorial on the face-turning octahedron. Let's get started. So I'm going to show a case tonight. This is part 11 of my series on the face-turning octahedron. We'll show a case tonight, like example, the bottom layer is solved and everything else through here is completely solved. It's totally solved. So we only have one piece left to solve here, and that's the point. I wanted to show how to do this one tonight. It's a interesting case. A little bit different, but like an example, everything else is solved all the way around. So I just want to show that because you're going to get different cases, and I just wanted to show this so that you know how to do this just in case if you do get this case. So this purple and green goes right here. So what we got to do is first, we can't just put it in. I got to move this out of the way, bring it over here, and then I'll show you what we'll do next. So we'll do that first. We'll do the algorithm right invert up. So we'll do right invert up, right, up, right invert, up, right, then up. So it went from here to here now. So we need to move that out of the way because we need to rotate some pieces here. So what we'll do, this red and green here, we got to take it out and we're going to put it right here in the wrong spot. And we're doing that on purpose. We're purposely taking that out and putting the wrong spot, and you'll see why. So what we'll do is we're going to turn it like this so that the yellow face is on top. It's on the left side here. And we're going to move this red and green to here. So we'll do right invert, up invert to start with. Right invert, up invert, right, up invert, right invert, up invert, right, then up invert. So now we moved it over here. The red and green is here where we want it. So now we're going to move this purple and green to here. And we'll do the same algorithm. Right invert, up invert, right, up invert, right invert, up invert, right, and up invert. Okay, so I moved out of the way and brought it back just so we have these two pieces set up like this. That's what I wanted, the purple and green, purple and red next to each other like this. And so that this, when I do the algorithm move, this red and green will come here. This green and purple will come here, and this will be solved. So I did that on purpose. So we'll turn this yellow face over here to the side, and this on top, and we'll do the algorithm move to rotate these two going clockwise. We'll do right invert up, right invert up, right, up, right invert, up, right, then up. So as you can see, the green and purple went in place and the red and green is in place now. So that's what I want to do, is like do a setup move where these two are together, like the red and green, purple and green were together, so that we can rotate it around and put it back in place. So now all we have left is the three pieces on top, and we'll just rotate those around and we can solve our face turning octahedron. So we'll do the right invert, up invert, because we're going to rotate it going counterclockwise. We're going to go this way. Yellow and orange comes here like that. So we do right invert, up invert, right, up invert, right invert, up invert, right, and up invert. So yeah, now our yellow orange is in place, yellow and green, and yellow and gray. So our puzzle solved. So yeah, I just want to do a short tips tutorial to show you step by step how to put, that green and purple piece in like that. It's an odd case, and like I always say in my other videos, like when I came, when I experienced this case, I did not know how to do it, and I had to experiment, making some mistakes and figure out a way to do it. And, I came up with a good solution to show you, because sometimes you will get a case like that where you have one piece left and everything else is solved. So yeah, thank you for joining me for the face turning octahedron, better known as the FTO. It's Saturday here in Chicago. I have my Arizona iced tea and I'm loving it. So yeah, thank you for joining me. If you have any questions or comments about the puzzle, or if you need to know anything, or if you have any questions at all, just ask any question you want. I'll do my best to answer you. Like I've said, I've been cubing for almost 9 years. I've done over 700 videos, so I have some really good experience in the cubing world. So yeah, don't hold back. Ask any question you want, or if you want to talk about something, just let me know. So yeah, thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate your time. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. And happy Saturday, everyone. Have a great day.